everyone, today I will share how I cook my favorite grilled chicken a la Nandos. It's delicious, spicy, smoky. It's Peri Peri chicken. For the marinade, we will be needing bell pepper, chili, garlic, lemon, ginger, red wine vinegar, olive oil, piri piri chili or you can use any chili, paprika, and oregano. So I have here around 400 grams of chicken thigh and leg. We're going to massage this with salt and pepper and set aside for 10 minutes. Now we're going to make the marinade using a food processor, so just add all in the fresh ingredients first. Then add some lemon zest for a nice lemon aroma. Then add a tablespoon of olive oil. And then give that a spin. Now we'll cut one piece of lemon and juice it up. Then combine that into the mixture. Now add in half a teaspoon of oregano and a tablespoon of smoked paprika. And then add the peri peri chili depending on how much heat you want. And then lastly, a third cup of red wine vinegar or any vinegar you have in your pantry. So our marinade is ready. Mix that with the chicken and make sure that the chicken is well coated. Set aside a little bit of the marinade for basting later. For better results, set aside for at least 4 hours or better yet overnight before cooking. I marinated the chicken overnight and now it's time to bake it before grilling. You can actually go ahead and grill right away, but this step is also important to make sure that the chicken is cooked all the way through. So the oven has been preheated at 400 Fahrenheit. We will be cooking this for 10 minutes on one side and then we'll finish it off for 5 minutes on the other side. Okay, now it's time to grill, so baste the chicken with the remaining marinade and grill it for 5 minutes each side. If you like this recipe, please leave a comment and subscribe if you want to see more. Happy cooking!